Etsy stands out as an unparalleled marketplace, celebrating the artistry and ingenuity of individual creators. It's not merely a platform, it's a global stage for handmade, vintage, and one-of-a-kind items, connecting talented teen entrepreneurs with a vast audience seeking the unique and the personal. The beauty of Etsy lies in its dedication to empowering small business owners, offering them tools and a community support system to launch and grow their ventures. For creative teens, Etsy presents an extraordinary opportunity to showcase their crafts to an engaged audience, turning passion projects into profitable businesses. Here, artistry meets opportunity. Embarking on the Etsy journey begins with crafting a unique identity for your shop, a name that captures the essence of your creativity and stands out in the marketplace. Following this, establishing your shop's policies is crucial. It lays the foundation for trust and transparency between you and your customers. Furthermore, the appeal of your shop hinges on the coherence of its visual and narrative elements. It's about creating an inviting space that resonates with your target audience, encouraging them to explore and connect with your creations. These initial steps are pivotal in setting the stage for a successful Etsy venture. In a marketplace teeming with creativity, your products need to shine with uniqueness. The journey begins at the drawing board, where the fusion of innovation and craftsmanship brings your visions to life. But creation is just the start. Showcasing your products with high-quality photographs captures the intricacies and beauty of your work, inviting customers into your world. Equally vital is the art of storytelling through product descriptions, weaving narratives that connect and resonate. Lastly, strategic pricing ensures that your creations are not just admired, but acquired, balancing perceived value with market dynamics. Together, these elements elevate your offerings, setting them apart in the bustling Etsy marketplace. Visibility is the lifeline of any Etsy shop, and promoting your store is key to drawing in potential customers. Leveraging social media platforms offers a direct channel to share stories, updates, and connect with a wider audience, showcasing your products in their natural habitat. Meanwhile, Etsy ads serve as a potent tool to boost your shop's presence directly within the platform, ensuring your creations appear when customers are searching. Beyond digital promotion, engaging with the Etsy community through forums and groups fosters relationships, encourages collaborations, and amplifies your reach. Together, these strategies create a cohesive effort to maximize visibility and propel sales to new heights. Behind every successful Etsy shop is a foundation of stellar customer service and efficient order management. It begins with streamlining the process of handling orders to ensure timely delivery, creating a positive shopping experience that customers will remember. But excellence in customer service goes beyond mere transactions. It's about building relationships. This entails responsive communication, handling inquiries with empathy, and resolving any issues promptly and fairly. These practices not only safeguard your shop's reputation, but are instrumental in encouraging repeat business. By prioritizing the customer's experience, sellers can foster a loyal customer base and drive the long-term success of their Etsy shop.